Sometimes all they need is a bottle. Now that is disgusting. Double disgusting.
There was a hidden egg in this video and it's very hard to find. Leave a comment below if you know the color. Now click the video on the left if you want to see Bad Baby Victoria vs. Annabelle. Somebody gets a black eye. Now click the video on the right if you want to see Spatula Girl save the family from the giant rat. It's freaky.